So today we're going to take a look at Ali. I was talking about the body this morning at 71. We then entered a channel at 34 for a 30%. And, that was the top of the Crypto-Quebec indicator. That indicator you see there, that's the Crypto-Quebec indicator. All right. And when we took the body. I was alerted here in Viron. I set myself an alarm and I made sure, it picked up the change of character and it was completed. When it was completed, confirmed on a smaller time frame, as you well know, right here, and we have it here with the vector, it was confirmed. From there, I placed the call in the Telegram group, and obviously we were able to, capture a 34% gain in less than 12 hours. Before we go any further, let me explain. What is Ali? Ali stands for Liquid Artificial Intelligence. It's, in the wake of agents and everything that's, artificial intelligence, the chatbot, everything that's here in another list here. When you come, this is another list that I have, which is called AI agents. And, I have alerts for everything. This is none of that. And when there's a pump, these are real pumps. And you can see it here. So you can see it here, a 34.3%. And the body was right there. The 4-hour chart that you'll see there, that's the 4-hour Crypto-Quebec chart. It's with that I'm able to set alerts. And you can see there that, wow, this was just amazing. Why? The stochastic RSI was in the overbought territory. We had a break of structure, and then we had another first beginning of a vector, which is actually the launch of the pump. And you can see that it started. And then, on the market, it's repainting. That 4-hour chart that you see there, that's the 4-hour Crypto-Quebec chart. And if you go and check it out, you'll understand exactly why it's amazing. I received a character change. We took the call, and the resistance here, I was already on a green vector. So this resistance is no longer a resistance, because to cross through the moving averages, we need a vector. And I was watching the top of the channel. Why? I thought it was going to happen tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. And the blue line was at, December. So I had placed my line around here to exit. And I thought that 34% in 48 hours was actually quite a lot of percentage for not a lot of time. So you can see what I'm explaining to you. What is it? In my group here, if we